smoke with me. Been turn this motherfucker up 800 degree. Whole team eat chefs cause she's a treat.
What's up, Ty gang? You already know that it's your girl Tykisha, and I'm back with another video. But before we get to the video, make sure you guys like this video, subscribe to the channel, press that notification bell so you won't miss a video from me, and please share this video. And that's on period poo. So today's video, I'm gonna be acting ratchet for 24 hours. So yeah, I've seen a lot of people do this on YouTube, but they did it on their boyfriend and stuff. I'm not gonna do it on nobody. I'm just gonna be holding the camera up and just be acting ratchet all the same. So girl, I'm finna put my little Vaseline on. I'm finna do. Shoot. And I'm finna do this hair, but I'm finna comb it out or something. That's what I'm finna do. Period. So, some cough drops, girl. Period. 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 Period, boo. Ass is on cause beach. I brought the U.S. Cellular glasses. That's on period. Period, y'all. Period. Period, poo. From a little glass. Period. Period. Look at the fit, y'all. Hold on. Period. I'm all the way up. Short. Period.
Jay.
Period.
Jay.
Period. Period. My mouth because it's nasty. Oh, child, this is stale. Hold on. Let me try another one. It don't, it's stale. It's stale. Little cough drop in. Period, poo. Hot out here. Very good. And that's on period poo. And that's on period poo. Period poo. Period. Me, I don't care, cause that's on period poo. Period. 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 Look at them inches. What? Huh? Like some tracks. Way, but it's my hair. That's on period poo. Can't do it like me, honey. Can't do it like me. Period. Period, Storm. Period. 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 Enjoy this video, please like it, subscribe, turn your post notifications, get that bell a ring a ding ding ding, and please share this video to Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and all that. Share this video, please. I need my subscribers back up. I'm on the road to 3,000 subscribers, so please subscribe to the channel. That's on period. Period. Bye, Tiger. Peace.